What up, everybody? This is Snuppa, and today I am here with an unboxing. So, come closer. Come on, so. This is what we got today. So, we got what's inside a demo. A pack of Hearthmon cards. Hearthmon cards. 3 cards per pack. So we got this. We got 3 chocolate bars. And this is how the cover looks like. So you get it inside of this. I just took it out of the back because I don't want to waste time. So it's a crusty chocolate bar. Okay. So yeah. Well, let's get into this. We'll save these guys for later. And let's go for the what's inside the demo. And Golden Pickle, what are you doing here? So we have our Golden Pickle. We have a bunny from the Batman, the Lego Batman movie. Oops. Can't stand with your guns, can you? There goes one of them. So, here we go. There we go. We got you to stand up. And I think it's supposed to be a Wolverine Batman. Guessing. Wolverine Batman. Wolverine Batman. Wolverine Batman. Let's go with some Hearthmon cards. I bet you these are going to be good. Oops. No. So, here we go. We have Dre's Dagger. This card gives your card 50 attack damage. So, here we go. This is how the back looks like. And there is Dre's real name. It starts with an S. So right here we have Shadow. His health is 80. And he has Dark Sword, which does 50 attack damage, and Flying Hammer, which does 70. So yes. And our last card is wrong one. It is a Mew. It's Snuppa. He has 110 damage. He does, and his attacks are Hammer Crush, which does 50 damage, and Thunder Fist, which does 80. So, yeah, we got those 3 cards. And so, I'll tell you when this video ends. And let's get to unboxing these guys. So, we bought 3. Where is my chocolate? Excuse me. Where are you, chocolate? My chocolate. My bag of chocolate. Well, no, I said my bag, but let's just start without it. We don't need it that much. So yeah, it comes with a checklist, which I have in my drawer. So I'll go get it and I'll come right back. So we are back, guys. I got my checklist. I'll come right back. Sorry, guys. The only reason why I took out my brother is because they make too much noise and you guys can't hear me. So I got the checklist, and let's start opening these. They are sealed, as you could see. So sealed. They are sealed. Open my keys. So we got some. We'll just Got you. Okay, so now let's open these. Let's go with this one. So what we got in here is a tasteless tart. I'll come right back. I am back. I made an offer with him. I told him if he could let me finish my video, I'll let him use my Nintendo. So let's keep on going. We have a tasteless tart, which I already know his name because I have him. So I'm gonna put it all the way here so they can see. This pack is open. Oh, here's a hard one. We're saving this one later. This is not a hard one. We're opening this one now. Hard, soft, soft. So there are 3 soft and 2 hard. So we got some ultra rares, I guess. Yeah, are they? Okay, so greens are ultra rares and purples are special edition. Let's see. Yep, they're green, so we got an ultra rare. Nice. Got some ultra rare. I like when I get ultra rares because they are soft. So these 2 are ultra rares, which we are opening at the end of the video. This one is soft and feels like flat fizz. Yeah, flat fizz. So I guess it's flat fizz. Let me just open it. And oh, this is a new one we don't have. Oh, nice. So we got a new one. So far, pretty good. We got a new one. And this is, I forgot your name. You are the Icky Drumstick. Forgot the Icky Drumstick. Yes. So next pack. This one feels fat and this one feels soft. I feel Stinky Cheese duplicate, which I'll be giving away if it is. Oops. Come on, open. Got it open. Oh my god. I don't like this plastic. It gets stuck all over my scissors. So we have. Oh, this is not Stinky Cheese, so I guess I'm not going to be giving away grocery games today. But this one is from the Barfoon Supplies. We have a common Spotty Zik Cream. I'll come right back, guys. I'm going to go check what's going on. So, we got the same problem there. My dad's not doing a video, but he wants to go to sleep, and my brothers don't let him. So yeah, we got a Spotty Zik Cream, common, rare, and common. If I'm right. Wait, let me check it out. Yes, common. So far only 1 rare, 2 ultra rares, which is pretty nice. I'm not gonna brag. Yeah. So let's just finish this up. If I could move on with some good news. This one I could already see is brown and is a drink, and nobody's brown except for Leaky Juice, so we got the Leaky Juice. Oops, my checklist fell. The Leaky Juice. Oops, why is everything just falling out? I got the checklist and no idea. It should be under the table. I got it. So here's the Leaky Juice. Leaky Juice. So I think he's a common. Are you a common, sir? Sir, a common? Yes, he is a common. So we got 3 commons and 1 rare. So let's just finish this video with 2 ultra rares. So I'm gonna open this one first because I am so excited. I don't even care at this point. Open sesame. Oh, I didn't open it. Oh, this crap. Oh, no. Crap skip. Oh, nice. We got, what's your name, sir? What is your name, sir? Sir. Oh, I found you. You are the hairy pear. So we got a pear. So far so good. Because we got 2 ultra rares. And this is the last one. I'm gonna feel it. I'm taking a guess. Okay, so I only got 2 guesses for this one. As you can see, I'm feeling it. It could be mushroom, or chocolate. My feelings are going for chocolate because I really want him. He's my favorite. I want him. All of them, I want him, or limited edition. And it is, come on, chocolate. And nope, it's not a chocolate, but it's still a heart. It is the mushroom. So, pretty nice pack right here. So yeah, I like this pack. We got 1 rare, 3 commons. 3 commons. And 2 ultra rares. So yeah, pretty nice pack overall. I'll just take this trash out. So really closer. So I'll come right back to tell you guys the big announcement. I am back. So here are the things we got today. We got a hairy pear, tasteless tart, icky drumstick, spotty zip cream, leaky juice, and mushroom. And inside of them, here, we got the golden pickle, the Wolverine Batman, that's what I'm gonna call it, and Bunny Hop. And from our Hearthmon cards, we got Dre's Dagger, Shadow, and a Snapper. So now it's time for the big announcement, guys. I am going to be giving away some Hearthmon cards. There will only be 2 winners, and this is all you gotta do. First, you gotta make sure you're subscribed. Second, you gotta make sure you like this video. Third, you gotta comment your favorite grocery game from Series 2. So, So, I gotta say that my favorite is the Gingerbread Man. Even though I still have none of those Series 2 yet, I am going to go to my local Target and see if they have Series 2. And if they don't have Series 2, then I would just buy Series 1 again. Open that pack, get it over with, bam. And post it to YouTube. So that's what we're going to be giving away. We're going to be giving away some Hearthmon cards. There are 3 cards per pack. You could probably get Shady EX, Snupbud EX, Xbox PS Gaming 323 EX, Dre EX, Jeff EX, and Ricky EX. And for our final one, the Golden Snupbud EX. So there are only 3 Golden Snupbuds EX cards in this pack, and they are gonna be hard to get. And the only way you could get these cards are to win my giveaways, or to just we can make a trade or a deal. I'm also trading grocery games to people that need some. So if you want to trade grocery games, comment down below your email address, and I'll text you, and we can work something out. So this is not. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, stay awesome.